Good morning, welcome Shem Stars. As in the previous video, we studied translation. So today we are going to study regulation of gene expressions in the cell. Regulation of gene expression. This means how is the expression of gene is regulated. This mechanism of regulation of gene is different in eukaryotic and in prokaryotic. In prokaryotic cell, it is regulated by many factors like environmental factors, sources available. Major controlling factor or regulating factor is by a protein, which is termed as a accessory protein. In eukaryotic cells, this regulation takes place at multiple levels, which we will see one by one in the coming slides. Gene expression results in the formation of a polypeptide. It can be regulated at several levels. The first one is transcriptional level. Transcriptional level means formation of primary transcript, that is hnRNA. When hnRNA is synthesized, that time regulation can be controlled. The second one is the processing level. It means when hnRNA undergoes splicing to form exon and intron pieces, that is the processing stage. This is the one where regulation can be controlled. The next one is transfer of mRNA during transfer of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm. And the fourth one is translation. Translation is when process of protein synthesis takes place. These are the 4 levels of gene regulation in eukaryotic cells. This slide shows flowchart of steps involving regulation of gene expression. Children, you remember we have already done central dogma. That is the flow of genetic information from DNA to RNA transcription and from RNA to protein synthesis, that is translation. So here you can correlate that central dogma, synthesis of primary RNA, that is transcript or transcription, and then post-transcriptional modification of mRNA, that is messenger RNA, which brings the genetic information from the DNA for the protein synthesis. Messenger RNA brings information, genetic information from nucleus to cytoplasm, and it takes the information to the ribosomes where actually the translation process completes, that is protein synthesis, and then post-translational modifications of proteins, and then transporting the proteins to the target organs. So these are the different steps involving in the regulation of gene expression in eukaryotic cells. Now we understand that in eukaryotic this regulation takes place at multiple levels and it is a complex process. Eukaryotic cells have a much larger genome. Eukaryotes have much greater cell specialization as compared to the prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells contain an enormous amount of DNA that does not program the synthesis of RNA or protein. So children, this is all about the regulation of gene expression in eukaryotic cells, which is a very complex process. I hope you must have understood. In the next presentation, we will talk about the leg operon. Thank you, Sham Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom. Take care.